Hello everyone, welcome to Opencart. So what exactly is this tool? This tool allows small sellers to create their own online store, right? It's open source, meaning it's free and its code is publicly available. It's an e-commerce platform. It lets us create, scale, and run our business, among other things. It's very easy to get started and begin using. We can publish it in the cloud. They offer various payment methods like PayPal, Amazon Payments, and Stripe. They have different achievements. Being open source, there's a community that will help you a lot. As for features, you can basically add products, user management, multiple stores, affiliate management, discounts, backup, okay? Being open source, they literally have everything, right? Everything is unlimited, obviously. They have filters for customers, shipping, payments, reports, and more. To set it up, we just click Start Now here to get the store up in 5 minutes, okay? And if not, we can go to Opencart, alright? I assume this is for having it in the cloud, right? Look, and for migrating a store and such, okay? That's where I think they charge you for the hosting. The tool itself is free, but they charge when you publish the store online. The prices aren't too bad. We're talking about 15 for a month. Oh, this is for 36 months. Let's look at 1 month. Well, maybe the prices are a bit high, huh? $34 a month, 2 gigs of RAM, 12 CPU cores. Well, I'm not sure if that's a lot or not. I think 4 gigs of RAM is probably enough. Man, paying $50 a month for a 4 GB RAM server is quite steep, honestly. It's quite a lot. Let's check out Opencart reviews, since the platform's ease of use is a given, so that's not the focus. We see it has 3.9 stars, with 53% 5-star reviews and 43% 1-star reviews. It doesn't work well with many mods, like 100 for instance. I bought an extension, support never replied, and basically the extension doesn't work. I don't recommend these platforms. Oh, apparently Opencart was recently involved in a rug pull. Millions were stolen and they just ran with the money. There are thousands. Well, I'm not sure if this is true. It doesn't make much sense to read it. Avoid buying modules here. Stay away from Opencart. They banned me because I didn't well, of course, I didn't provide what they were paying for. Paid with PayPal, but I haven't received anything. I see they don't have any support, which is a bit of a red flag, you know. Not sure about those 5-star reviews, but lack of support is concerning. On G2, they've got a 4.3, which carries more weight. Good score there, I'll admit. Trustpilot reviews tend to be a bit lower, so I'll leave it here for you to check out if you're interested.